Okay, this will be the final video for a couple of weeks because I'm going out of town. But you can see the old entrances to the bathroom. So here are the new doors to the bathroom. And we will enter, open up like this. So we'll turn immediately to the right here. So this is going to be vanity, and then my vanity. And then this area here will be for a 72 or 6-foot jacuzzi tub. So I extended this wall here out just a little bit so that we can have a nice built-in jacuzzi tub here. Anyway, so or to the left from the entrance, this is the shower. So the shower is framed in. So here's the entrance. So I'm not planning on putting a door in, and this is ended up being 5 foot by 7 foot. So it's 7 foot from the wall to this wall, and then it's 5 foot in width. So it is a sizable shower. So I was thinking of probably putting some sort of teak bench in here, or along this wall for shaving of legs, or just when you want to relax. But I think what I'm going to end up doing is putting a rain can up on top here, and then probably 2 shower heads. I'm not really sure exactly how we're going to do it yet. I don't really care right now either. All right, so stepping out of the shower here and looking back, this is the commode room. So the commode hasn't really changed. You know, I thought about moving the toilet over to here, but I'm like, the more I think about it, it really needs to stay there. And so there's plenty of space, plenty of headroom, and you'll see here the 82-inch framing for the door. All right, so then into the closet. All right, so all this space here, from right here all the way over to here to about here, will be shelving for and closet racks for. And then my area here is this little 5 foot area to the door here, 5 foot by 4 foot. All right, and then we come to the staircase, and I'm thinking I'm probably going to put a bookcase Murphy door here to completely hide it, and on the bookcase we'll do the slants for shoes. But this is a 40 foot or 40-inch wide staircase. So finished out, it'll end up being, I think, 38 is what I calculated. Maybe 37 and a half. I'm not really sure. All right, so then we walk up into the office. All right, so you will see here that the first wall has been semi-framed. We decided to wait on the closet because I had to move ductwork and it raised, and I don't want to crush this ductwork. So I think what we're going to end up doing is taking these little sheets of plywood out, which are just floaters right now, and then putting 2x8s across, and then deck it with the decking, the leftover decking there. So it'll be 16 feet by 8 feet deep, and then 6 feet taller. So nice, good storage closet. All right. So this ended up being just shy of 9 feet. So this is 8.5 feet up to here, almost, well, a little bit more, 8'9". And then your 10-footer. All right. So we're gonna take the walls to 10 feet. So that's all framed in there. I'm missing this part. I have this open because I'm going to put in my plenum here, I'm going to cut out a 6-inch duct for my office, and I'm not sure how I'm going to route that yet, but this is all the rerouting we had to do. And here's that 2.5 foot space here. So I had to remove all the lights in the attic so that I can work in here. But anyway, so the finished office space ended up being just shy of 15 feet interior. So it was like 14 foot, 9 inches or something like that. And then across, it ended up being 13 feet 11 inches, so just about 14 feet. So 15 by 14 full size, and then it'll be 10-foot high ceilings, and of course we'll follow the roof pitch as well. So these are 2 by 6s, so we'll have a nice thick insulation going through, so we'll be in great shape. And then of course this brings in a ton of natural light, this big 3 by 3 or 3 by 4 skylight. I don't even know what it is. And then when I get back in town, we'll do the closet. So coming back down here, so I put in a nice little half wall here, and so we still have some framing we have to do here. I have to get my HVAC guys out to move the condenser line and the thermostat line. Yeah, and then so this is the gas line that we ended up having to move, and then we'll frame this wall in here, and then this will be a sort of a ceiling here, and then it'll come straight up, and then follow the roof pitch as you're going up. And then of course all this stuff needs to be re-insulated, and we'll take care of that. And I'm thinking I'm probably going to do radiant OSB on the outsides of the walls, because I really want to soundproof this, and then we'll insulate it. So coming back down here into the closet, and then back out. So the bathroom ended up being, it looks a hell of a lot bigger than it actually was, just because it was so poorly laid out before. But you'll see here we moved our ducts into the ceiling here, so it's great. I put a bunch of stabilizers in for the joists, so it ended up really smooth. So there's two other things we have to do. We have to put an exhaust fan in, which I'm going to blow out the side of the house, and I might actually just put it in the wall in the commode room, just to go straight out. There's no point in putting it up, but that's where it looks. I am done for now. I got to go to Washington DC tomorrow, so sorry about the long video, but this will be the last one for a while. See ya.